Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to hide content in your location on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC. Let's get started. First, open X in your browser. Once you're logged in, look at the left side menu. Scroll down and click on the More icon. This will reveal additional options for managing your account. Next, select Settings and Privacy. This will bring you to a menu where you can adjust various aspects of your account. From here, click on Privacy and Safety. This section is where you can control how your account interacts with content and privacy settings. Within Privacy and Safety, find and click on Content You See. This option allows you to customize what appears in your feed. After that, head into Explore Settings, which is specifically designed for adjusting content visibility based on your location. Now, locate the option labeled Show Content in this location. To hide content based on your location, simply disable this setting by toggling it off. Once disabled, X will no longer show content tailored to your geographical area, giving you a more personalized browsing experience. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully hidden content in your location on X using your PC. This adjustment helps tailor your feed to better suit your preferences while enhancing privacy. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide was helpful, feel free to explore more tips for customizing your social media experience. See you next time.